Hello everyone, this is Business Plus on your way today again. I just quickly want to show you this. Now, as you can see, we have a crossing on this stochastic with the settings 533. Now, let me quickly show you that. Then I want to take a very good entry now on a live account. Now you can see this is everything. Then the price field is low, high, method, simple, and also the level is 20 to 80. So excuse me, the level is just for you to know where the oversold and the overbought is. And mind you, we are on M1 time frame. Now let me enter for a sell. Alright, so I'm selling all these, and we are just capping through within 3 to 5 minutes. Right now, what you need to know is if this stochastics is crossing at the 100 level, it means it's selling. Now you go back to M5 to check on M1 here. Now you shift your focus to what's happening exactly on M5. Now if you should look at M15, we should be buying. Now let's check. Yeah, you can see M15 is buying, but our focus is just on M5 and M1, and the reason is because we have to choose the time frame in which the lower time frame goes in the higher time frame 3 to 5 times. And you can see we have M1 in is also 5 times rather. So you can see now we have like 2 minutes. It's now going. So what we're looking at now is just let me say 3 minutes. See the profit, right? So you can just cap through. If you're using a smaller account, you can just scap through. Alright, so now let's wait for the 3rd minute. And mind you, you can see that the stochastics on M1 has gotten to the oversold level of 20, right? So it should give us the third candle, the finishing of the 3rd candle on M1. So we are still waiting. Now let's check what's happening on M5. Now you have to notice that M5 is about going back up. Like, it's not looking as if it has totally bent down. Exactly, see what I'm saying now. Then that's why we have a spike now on M5 and also on M1, you see. But the spike is very minute, it's very small because of the over and bot level that M5 is. Alright, so we still have to wait few more minutes because our profit now, it has go in loss. Let's now and see exactly what will happen in the next couple of minutes. It has been selling all through already down to this place, and if the selling should continue, we will have a retest, right? We'll have a retest from this point to this point. Then the continuation of the downtrend will continue. It will continue going to its downtrend. It will continue going to this downtrend. That's why, and most of the time, we do say that the smaller time frame is deceiving. All right. Now, if you want to make a very good profit on boom and crash, stop looking at one spike. Come to higher time frame. Do analysis. If you are someone that knows how to read the chart a lot, go to higher time frame. This is M5. Let's go to M15. You can go to M15. You can go use M30. Now your account balance will determine the time frame that you're gonna use. Now if your account balance is very small, don't use. Now when you're using bigger time frame, the time frame will eat up your funds if there should be any smaller spike. Now see exactly what I was talking of the other time. You see, now we have this arrow. It has shown as if it's coming down. All right, now you can decide to add level 50 at your for your stochastics. You can see we have 20 and 80 here. Then you can decide to add more level, which is level 50. All right, that's 50, and go back, then done. You can see we have 50 here. All right, you can see we have 50 here. This is the line 50. Right, we have 50 there. The so trade has now be going back in profit. It's a very good strategy. Study this over time, and I discovered that it's working. Like 80% is working. 80% is working, and the remaining 20% is when the market is not stable. All right, and exactly when you are trading on the ranging preferred, and if you want to go for a high time frame trading, it's also working. Go back to the M1 time frame, you can see it's still selling. All right, so it's still selling, and you can see now that on the stochastics, since it's a downtrend, you can see the little spike that happened push it from this point to level 50, and from level 50 it's still selling down. Why? Because what is happening exactly on M5, you can see it's selling. Probably when it gets to point 50 I'll close, but the target, as said earlier, is just 3 to 5 minutes candle. All right, now if we should do the counting, if we should do the counting, we can say we probably have 3 minutes now. 3 minutes now, but 3 minutes candle now on M1. Alright, but the time is beyond 5 minutes because of the spike that interrupted us. Yeah, I don't know if you can understand exactly what I'm saying. So we have candle, the fourth candle from the EP, which is the entry point. This is the entry point, the price at which we took that trade, which is precisely this, which is precisely at this price here. So that's the price at which we take the trade. Now let me delete this so that it shouldn't be too much on the screen. So guys, as you can see, it has given us a massive, see, it's massive. Now let's assume now a very big lot size. So, or I can decide to say, okay, when I have like $10, I'm out. It depends on this is morning, right? It's morning. So guys, this is how we do it. This is how we make money in the market. It's very simple, but that it's a downtrend. All right, if it's an uptrend, follow it up. All right, then you will see several spikes. So that's it, guys. This is business plus. This is business. I'm fine, but when we go back to the M15, you can see M5. Sorry, the M5 is about coming down very well, but that doesn't mean that spike cannot happen. Even spike can even happen to take the trade even up to this level. It's very possible. So guys, this is it. This is business plus. I just want you to check the description if you want to chat with me, chat with me for account management, and also if you want me to give you a signal for a month, is $40 per month, and I'll also give you discount. The first person to chat me now will be given a discount. So thank you very much, and stay cool, stay blessed.